a bit too leg side from Nuwan Kulasekaar. He's got the in-swing going straight away, and what he's got to do is shift his line another foot outside.
Formats in international cricket, he ended up picking up a wicket in his first over.
Well, oh dear, it had to go. Pisara Pereira is the man at third man, and he drops a sitter.
Well, I'm not too sure players from the subcontinent are very comfortable trying to catch with their fingers pointing skywards. That is not what they are taught at the junior level, so certainly trying to do that, and this certainly was something that he could have taken with the fingers pointing downwards. He's made a mess of it, given Rohit Sharma another opportunity.
They're just not.
That's the short delivery, not from the middle of the bat. That'll be his first boundary for Rohit Sharma. You'll hang in there, you'll get the loose balls, and when you put them away, you'll gain in confidence. Very good batting pitch again. Bowling at 118 Ks, you don't want to be bowling that particular length to a very good batsman.
And very fine, that's going to be 4. Just string a bit there in line. He had a beautiful line going earlier on, just about off stump. Bad line that one from Eranga.
The first 4 delivery that he's bowled. Rohit Sharma won't mind it. Needs a few runs under his belt. That's bread and butter shot for most Indian batsmen. Played it nicely, played late. Brings up the 50 for India. That's a good hit. Look majestic from Rohit Sharma.
He's trying to break the shackles. It's been hard work for the Indian batsman after the first 4 or 5 overs. The Sri Lankans had bowled well since then, but this was a good shot on the up. Hit through the line. He's a very good player when he plays well. He looks good.
Flipped away. Rohit Sharma finding his timing. He struggled early. No, the last couple of overs he played wonderful shots.
This is his strength. Again, like most of the Indian batsmen, uses the wrist really well. But Eranga cannot afford to bowl there to Rohit Sharma. There is a strong area.
All where, VVS?
On the middle and leg stump.
I thought that was off stump or just outside.
It loses control.
More runs. In fact, 4 more runs. Come back to that.
All the time in the world. Bowling to quality batsmen. Just sitting up in the wicket. Picked his spot with ease, Rohit Sharma. He's looking good.
It's for Rohit Sharma, he's on strike. Half century for Rohit Sharma on his return to this India side. Worked hard for these runs.
Had an early escape, but since then he has really settled it down. He has shown that he's determined to get some runs.
Yes, I think you've got to make up for the absence through injury. Just pushing it away too long off, and everybody rising up in the Indian dugout, in the Indian dressing room.
It's gone airborne, straight over mid-off. 4 runs. Rohit Sharma, his 6th boundary, hitting clean through the line.
Well, they sussed him out, seen that Mendes wasn't doing anything, wasn't getting any purchase. So look at the confidence. The fielder is in the 30-yard circle, so he's gone with a straight bat. one bounce over the boundary.
Today in Kolkata. Shimmy down the pitch and he makes it a full toss. Lovely ease of footwork there from Rohit Sharma. He's changed up a gear. You can sense he's really going after these bowlers now.
Yes, he is. He's got the confidence. He's been there for a while, got the confidence after a half century. Very good use of the feet. And moving just a little bit towards the leg side so he can play through that offside field. This is the
Test cricket going past Jeffrey Boycott. Shot, wide open space on that leg side, and it's very inviting for Rohit Sharma.
These boundaries are just coming too easy. That's why neither Virat Kohli or Rohit Sharma are really too worried when they play dot balls. They know a boundary will be coming along not too far.
really easy now for the Indians. They're picking their spots with ease.
He just didn't pick it up. Ajanta Mendes down there at deep backward square. He seemed to move very late. There was a shout from Dilshan. He was lashed by Virat Kohli. By Rohit Sharma rather.
It's not easy to pick the ball in the background of the crowd, I can assure you. Very difficult at the Eden Garden sometimes.
One more boundary for Rohit Sharma. That brings the 100 partnership between Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. Very important time.
Good shot, but poor bowling by Nuwan Kulasekara, because his deep fielders are long on, long off, and the mid wicket, which is on the leg side, so he cannot give room outside the off stump, even if pace comes off the ball. If pace comes off the ball, it has to be a straighter line.
Run partnership into a bigger one.
That's asking for trouble. Bowling shot and a slow delivery at that under 100 Ks. These are easy pickings. First 6 for Rohit Sharma.
Easy pickings. The previous one outside the off stump, and this time rank short pitch deliveries. And when you're bowling to someone who is batting on 83 now, and you cannot afford to bowl that length. Rohit Sharma is looking all set to feel the fine leg has gone back. One more brilliant shot. This time an over pitch delivery from Kulasekara, and put away for one more boundary. It takes Rohit to 93.
Great over that for India. 16 runs coming. He asked for the batting power play, and what a start. Again the slow delivery wide of off stump.
This bullet has to be straighter because he's got a long one and a deep mid wicket.
It's a lightning quick outfield. As a batsman, you don't have to worry. Yes, you'll know all about it. Hit the gap, you get good value.
Absolutely, on this ground, all you have to do is place the ball in between the fielders and it will race to the boundary, just like the one Rohit Sharma did in the last delivery. That boundary gets him to 97. See the timing and the placement, using his wrist, opening the face of the bat, hitting between the point and cover.
There it is, the 100 moment. The 5th 100 in one-day internationals. Very well played, young man. The dressing room happy, and he's happy as well.
Absolutely, what a knock. His first match after getting injured against England at Cardiff. And his strike rate, 100 in just 100 balls, 100% strike rate. The first 50 runs he got in 72 balls, but the second 50 in just 28 balls.
And that's the way he likes to pace his innings, isn't it?
Absolutely, and I think this knock off Rohit Sharma is a great example for young batsmen.
Here. The sheer class and timing. It's an easy ball, but you still have to hit the gaps.
He just completed his 100, and he would have been thinking about that moment. But when he gets a loose delivery, he's quite happy to put it away. A lot of boundaries have come in the second 50 that VVS was mentioning. His last 100 in one-day internationals was a double.
And both these batsmen cannot be stopped. Six almost hitting from outside the off stump, but clearing the field with ease.
Lane Bishop was talking about the speeds. Last delivery 77 k's, so that gave the batsman a lot of time to pick a spot. Short fine leg, short square leg in, short on, because he's not a big turner of the ball. Four runs. This is poor bowling. In straying in line with the field inside the ring, you're asking for big time trouble.
Not at all convinced with the line. The bowling to both these batsmen. All Rohit had to do was put back to ball. You cannot stop them getting boundaries or rotating the strike when they're bowling onto their pack. Another boundary for Rohit Sharma. He's cutting loose. It also gets 150-run partnership between Rohit and Virat in just 127 balls, giving himself some room and playing over the mid-off fielder.
They're becoming too predictable with what they're trying to bowl. Next time Yorkers, Rohit Sharma just...
He batted really well.
Good shot, but should have been stopped by the fielder. Sloppy work inside the ring. Aranga, the culprit, will run away to the boundary. You have no chance of chasing and stopping the ball on this outfield.
Can't afford to do that. Poor fielding. They're coming back to Bish. When India goes to Australia, you want all the batsmen. And this is a great opportunity for them to get hundreds under their belt. Because you may play good, but if you're not converting that into big hundreds, it never adds to the confidence. Rohit Sharma is just toying with the bowling, just chipping it over the cover fielder. Every over is getting a ball.
Straight down the ground, it's another six. This is wonderful batting we're watching at Eden Gardens. It's a third six from Rohit Sharma.
Started out well. Seekuge Prasanna in his first spell, but once the batsmen played themselves in, they've been toying with him right through the line.
Cuts this away late for another boundary. Rohit Sharma is moving up gears here. 142. 18 boundaries and 3 sixes.
What record is he heading for now? There has to be some record close by. He has a lot of time as well. Another 14 overs after this.
That's exactly what I was thinking too. 209 is his highest score.
Smashed away again. 4 more. It's the 150 up for Rohit Sharma. He is blazing all over this ground. It's wonderful to watch.
Only 49 more to go.
49 to 200, you mean? Slow ball from Matthews, not an easy shot to play, because to pick his spot and generate that pace backward of square, you need strong wrists.
Straight over mid-wicket with absolute contempt for the ball bowled at him. Rohit Sharma hits his fourth six.
Another hit me delivery. Halfway down the pitch, and you can't bowl that to Rohit Sharma because he's in such good nick.
It's not got any pace on it from Angela Matthews, and it just set up and asked to be hit. 161 not out, 4 sixes, 19 boundaries.
Making quite a few field changes here.
And the way he's playing will not take too much time for him to get that. One more brilliant shot. Rohit Sharma stepping out and hitting over the mid-off region.
Oh, this is a magnificent shot. Gave himself just that little bit of distance between the bat and the ball. The fielder was in the 30-yard circle on the offside at mid-off, so no protection at all. Good, magnificent shot this from Rohit Sharma.
Going round the wicket here. It's gone quickly. Kulasekara couldn't get there. 300 comes up for India.
That shows how quick the outfield is. All Rohit Sharma did was push the ball, but Kulasekara at long off position had no chance to stop it. Also, it shows how good a timer Rohit Sharma is.
Into the gap, and 4 more. He's climbing into some of this bowling. Well, he has been doing it for a while.
How can you stop him? The previous boundary on the off stump, and now on the onside. Beautiful use of wrist, piercing the gap between the cow corner.
Is not doing the job.
He's hit the gap again, and it's 3 boundaries in succession. Sonny wants more fielders.
Well, that's what I'm saying. I mean, it's not Angelo Matthews. Any captain in the kind of form that he is in, you want more than 11 fielders. Because look, there was a little bit of a gap there. Look at the way he's taken the ball early this time, and he's hit it square. Terrific. This is great batsmanship. Whatever the quality of the attack, however good the pitch is, to be able to find.
That is shockingly bad bowling, to be quite honest. That is terrible. 18 off the over, 315 for 4.
That's poor bowling. It's okay to be hit off good deliveries, but you cannot afford to bowl short and wide to a batsman who's batting more than 180.
So, was the upper length, well played, magnificent from Rohit Sharma. What a beauty, 325 for 4.
Oh, this is again a terrific shot. Looking for the Yorker, and the fielder was very wide, and he just powered it.
It's hit well, it's hit very well, and it's a moment of history for Rohit Sharma. First batsman to score 2 double hundreds in ODI cricket.
What an outstanding innings from Rohit Sharma. Right from the start, he was in total control of this innings. The entire team is so pleased for him, making a comeback of his sorts after his injury in England. The first batsman in the history of one-day international cricket to get 2 double hundreds. Last 150 runs he got just in 79 balls. How good was the shot? No chance for Mahela Jayawardene at all. He will be really pleased, Rohit Sharma.
Oh, it's high in the air. Oh, it's high in the air. There's a fielder under it. There's a fielder under it. He drops it anyway. Might have been a question of its height, which is what Rohit Sharma is asking, but it doesn't matter. Prasanna has spilled what should have been a sitter.
Well, the umpire called it a no ball because of the height. The attempted Yorker going above the waist. There it is, it's gone above the waist according to the square leg umpire. Didn't quite time it in the middle. Maybe also a little bit tired. And that's it. That perhaps is the story of Sri Lanka in this series. Every century maker has been given a let-off.
Inside out. Oh, what a wonderful stroke. What a fantastic range of shot making for Sharma.
He gets to his highest score with that brilliant shot. Not much room offered by the bowler, but he withdraws and creates that room and plays through the cover.
Oh, that's a solid crunch. Brings up the 350. It's a no ball, it means it's a free hit. But from the moment it left the bat, the noise was wonderful.
I don't think it's going to make much of a difference whether it's a free hit or not, because that's the way Rohit Sharma has been batting anyway. He's been batting as if every single ball has been a free hit. This is a big no ball. It's a full toss on the pads, and he just helped it along. Not much effort there. Just timing once again. 200 and...
He is. Rohit Sharma now becomes the highest score in one-day internationals. He goes past Virender Sehwag's 219.
And with what a terrific shot. Not a streaky shot. Sweetly off the middle. Into the crowded long off. Length ball alright, but it still had to be put away. And he's done it with typical Rohit Sharma elegance.
Just the manner of the demolition here can do a lot of damage here to a fielding team's psyche. High in the air. This could be a tester. And he's missed it as well. Really has been a very, very embarrassing time with the catches for Matthews and his men.
Rohit Sharma trying again to clear the infield. A tough chance for Tirumane, but this time doesn't judge at all and misses. Third drop catch for Rohit Sharma. It's getting from bad to worse for Sri Lanka.
Back in the attack. Might run away for 4 as well. Everything that comes off anywhere near centre of the bat is reaching the boundary.
Tried to bowl a Yorker wide off the off stump. And Rohit Sharma reaching out for that. Slightly upish, but well away from that fielder. No chance for that deep third man.
over anyone close to it. And another boundary. Matthews, that expression says it all for me. Doesn't know what to do, Angelo Matthews.
It is now coming to 58%. Whether India will get to 400 or not. Well, he really is toying with the bowling. Oh, delicate, delicate, delicate. 100 partnership comes up. Uthappa has contributed to that as well. He scored 12 of that 100 partnership. So you cannot take away Uthappa's contribution.
How good was that? He's got answers to each and every question the Sri Lankan bowlers are posing. But the questions are not tough.
Now how do you sum that up? That is toying. 382 for 4.
This is an astonishing shot. Look at that. He's moved away to the offside, and as the ball is wider, he still reached out for it and has brought his bottom hand into play. It's a flick. It's a flick over long on for a 6. Question about it. And that will be another boundary, and he reaches 250 with that. Second batsman in the history of the game to score 250 runs in a limited overs game. But this is an international. The first man to get to 250 in one-day internationals, Rohit Sharma. And he's also gone past in the process 248 that Shikhar Dhawan had got against the South Africa A team last year in August. That was the List A game. That was the highest one.
Rohit Sharma. One more 6. This time straight down the ground.
Oh, that is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. The pulse question might still come. Will India get to 450?
It's raining 4s and 6s at the Eden Gardens. A special place to play cricket. They're witnessing a special knock from a special 7.
That's 400. The 11th time in one-day internationals that a team has gone past that landmark. And India have now done it on 5 occasions.
Another man on the verge of 100 is Kulasekara. He's given away 87 runs. 3 deliveries left. Once again making it easy at that pace, giving width, bowling a length ball.